Hi student, welcome to you online classes of South Point English Boarding Schools. How are you? I am going to teach science of class 10 chapter physics of force. A student, you already know about force. What is force? Pulling and pushing of object is known as force. That you read already in a previous classes. So, force help to attract of the object. Similarly, they push and pull too. But now I am going to teach you that the force that is the mysterious or very interesting. You know that the object of our universe is attracted with each others with the force. Similarly, when we throw the object of what directions that fall on the surface of the earth, the heavenly body, satellite, moon, sun, asteroid, comets attracted with each other and revolves around the sun. How it is possible and how it is happened? You know what? It is happened due to the force. But which type of force is that? So, force is the very interesting chapter, and you know about the such type of force that is found inside the atom. In atom, there is the number of molecules are present that is also attract each other with a force that is known as van der Waals force of attraction. Similarly, in our universe, there are very minor particles or heavenly body particles or larger particles that are attracted with each other. That is known as force. So, in this chapter, we read about the gravitations. It means similarly the force of attractions, Newton's law of gravitations, universal constant of the gravitations, and etc. So, what is gravitations? Gravitations. You know about gravitations? When we throw any things in upward directions that attracted towards the center of the earth. How it is possible? It is possible due to the gravitation. In 1542, before, the scientists believed that the earth is the center of our solar system. That is known as geocentric model of our solar systems. In that system, sun, moon, satellite and heavenly body that revolves around the earth, that is known as geocentric model of solar system. In that system, the earth is considered as the center of our solar system, and this system helps to know about the structure of our solar system, but is not applicable. That is not the truth. And in the 16th century, the scientists or astronomers Nicholas Copernicus give the another model of our solar system, and that give the idea about helicocenter. Helicocenter in helicocenters is the just opposite of the helicocenters, because in helicocenter the sun is considered as the center of our solar system, and earth, moon, satellite and all the planets revolve around the sun. So there are two type of models in our solar system: genetico model system and helico model system. So nowadays the helico model system is the applicable, and sun is compared as the center part of our solar system. When the time is passes, the 1687, the another idea is evolved out, and that idea is put forward by the another scientist name is Newton. That gives the idea about the gravitations. What is gravitation? When we throw the anything in upward direction, that falls towards the center of the earth. How it is possible? It is possible due to the force of attractions. It is attraction force, and such type of attraction force is called the gravitation. So this idea is given by the scientist Newton in 1687 AD, and that is known as gravitations. Gravitations causes when two objects or two heavenly body like as earth and sun. The earth is attracted to the sun, and sun is also attracted to the earth, and between them there is the force of attractions, and such type of attraction force is called the gravitation. So the mutual attractions between the two heavenly body in the our universe is called gravitations. The mutual attractions between two body of the universe is called gravitation. AG, the attractions between sun and earth. The meaning of attractions: the sun is attracted the earth towards the sun. Similarly, the earth is also attracted to the sun towards the earth. There is the production of the force is called gravitations. Now, the effect of gravitations is on that object has maximum masses. It means those objects that has maximum masses, their effect on the smaller masses object is maximum, but the object has the less masses, their effect on that is very less. Due to that, the effect of sun and moon attraction on the earth causes the tides occur inside the oceans and sea. So due to the gravitational force of attraction of the sun and moon causes the tides happen inside the oceans and sea. That's right. You know that all the heavenly body, earth, moon, satellite, planets is only the 0.001% 0.001 the total masses of the earth sun. Sorry, total of the sun. It means when we combine all of the heavenly body, only the part of the sun is 0.001 of the total part of the sun. So compared to the suns, the earth and all the heavenly bodies are very smaller than that. So we can say that the sun is the biggest masses and earth and moon satellite is the very smallest masses compared to the sun. Student, tides occurs due to the effects of moon, due to the effect of gravitation of sun and moon. Similarly, the gravitational force is maximum in liquid then solid and gas. Okay student, I am going to stop my speech. I will meet you next day. Okay, bye.